This is my son's closet. There are some weird things going on here.
The closet's got no light. Take a look at this. They built this wall up to create the closet from the dormers. They just put insulation right up here. It says, "This should not be left exposed." You can see someone put pictures of horses up here.
So I need to put in a light and cover up the insulation with drywall, which is totally boring, except that supply chain problems last year when I did this project left my local Home Depot denuded of cans of spray-on texture. And my previous attempt with a texture roller did not turn out so well. So I'm gonna buy a texture sprayer. Try this out. Spoiler alert, I sort of screw it up. First off, up with the drywall, boring. Next, corners. I do not have the knack for mud work. For example, taping corners never goes well for me. This time, I tried out this Straight Flex product. I just fold the thing, mud it up, and I get perfect inside corners. Okay, time to try out the sprayer for the first time.
Ooh, Jesus, it's leaking. All right, well, here goes nothing. Wow, so that was a pretty messy job of it. It went through a lot more texture than I thought I would. And I really don't like how this thing leaks and like turned on automatically, because I thought I would have to pull the trigger, but it just started spraying as soon as the air came in. I swear the trigger doesn't do anything. Well, here we go. I don't feel like this went very well, but you know, it's my first try. There are chunks on the wall. I guess I didn't mix the stuff long enough. The chunky bits on the wall were actually really easy to remove. I think I figured out the reason that mud was just dripping right out of this thing. First off, I swear I really did read the manual, but even then, I put this thing in, this little nozzle in, backwards. Alright, if I did this right, no mud should leak out of this thing. Ha! Figured it out. The second is that the gun ships with this little thing closed. And that means that the gun is spraying all the time. It's always pulled back, so I just needed to pull that down.
Okay, well that was fun. Now I just need to prime and paint. Some finishing touches, door casing, baseboard molding, and a quick sand and recoat of the floors. Even after all this, my son still isn't comfortable using the closet. This was just phase one. At some point in the future, I'll want to do some built-ins here, but I don't think I'll need to do that until he hits puberty, and that's many years from now.
This is my new house in West Seattle. It's a century old, with half a century of deferred maintenance, and a couple of odd decisions by the last homeowner. Subscribe to my channel to catch all the different projects that I undertake to get this place updated.